Okay guys, I wanted to show you how damp it is here, especially in the winter or our rainy season. Our trees grow a lot of different types of moss, lichens, maybe even fungus on the bark. I notice certain trees that, you can see there's some old man's beard there, or actually, yeah, that might be it. Trees that shed their bark, they don't have this problem, but these ones with rough bark, these are hawthorn, they really get a lot of this growth. It kind of goes dormant in the summertime, and then when we get these kind of perpetually damp days, it comes back. Look at all this, and then you can see all the litter from these on the ground. So a lot of our trees develop this, and even some of our shrubs. All manners of life growing on these trees, and it doesn't seem to bother them. But a little bit messy. These trees in particular are messy, these hawthorn. You can just see the clumps of it. I don't know if you can see that. Those are pretty narrow branches, but they're just so heavily encrusted with all the growth that we get. There's a branch down here I can show you. It's a pretty good example. Just on this one branch, how many species do you think are living? And it gets so wet here that our roads turn green. They get moss growing on them. There's some old man's beard right here. But just something you see here, and then like I said, in the summer it just kind of goes dormant. It waits till it rains, and it actually kind of dries up a bit, and then when we get the constant rains, it really kind of plumps up. But you can see how thick it is in these trees. Thanks for watching.